everyone, Selena here with Rick's Review Hub. If you're dreaming of restaurant-quality pizza right in your backyard, you're gonna love this. Today we're diving into the Gozney Arc Pizza Oven, a game-changer for pizza lovers. This propane-powered oven promises 14-inch pizzas cooked to perfection in just 60 seconds. Stick around to see why this might be your next must-have, and don't miss the link in the description for the best deal. Let's break down the features. The Gozney Arc is a compact propane-fueled pizza oven that cooks 14-inch pizzas at up to 950 degrees. Its lateral gas burner mimics a traditional wood-fired flame, giving you even heat distribution for that perfect crispy crust. It has a 20mm removable cordierite stone floor and 2-layer insulation, so it heats up fast, about 20 to 30 minutes, and stays hot after pizza. The digital thermometer with a color-coded display makes it easy to hit the right temp for any style, from Neapolitan to New York. You also get a gas hose, regulator, and a stone adjustment tool right out of the box. With a sleek, modern design in bone white or black, it's built to look great in any outdoor space. Now, the pros? This oven is a beast for home pizza making. Users rave about the consistent heat, with one saying they've made dozens of perfect pizzas since getting it. The lateral burner means less turning, so you can focus on crafting your masterpiece. It's super easy to use, even for beginners. Just turn the knob and you're cooking. The thick stone and insulation keep temps steady, so you can churn out pies for a crowd without waiting. Plus, it's versatile. You can cook steaks, fish, or veggies at high temps for that restaurant-quality char. The design? Total eye candy for your patio. There are a few cons to consider. At $700, it's pricier than some competitors like the Unicoda 16 or Solo Stove Pi Prime. Some users wish it came in a 16-inch size for bigger New York-style pizzas, though the Arc XL fits that bill for $100 more. The first heat up might take longer, up to 45 minutes in cooler weather, but subsequent uses are much faster. Also, accessories like the $250 stand or $50 cover are sold separately, which adds to the cost. It's not portable like the Gozney Rockbox, so plan to keep it in one spot. I recommend the Gozney Arc if you're serious about pizza and want pro-level results without the hassle of wood-fired ovens. It's perfect for backyard chefs or entertainers who love wowing guests with fresh, crispy pies. If you're on a tight budget or need a portable option, you might look at cheaper or lighter models, but for quality and ease, the Arc shines. Check out our full review on the channel for more details. Ready to fire up epic pizzas? Grab the Gozney Arc Pizza Oven using the link in the description for the best pricing through Rick's Review Hub. We've got special promotional deals you won't want to miss. If this review helped you out, please like, share, and subscribe for more honest gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and here's to perfect pizza nights!